The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation says the diplomat accused of raping a woman in the United States has been suspended and flown back to Juba. Charles Dickens Aliha was assigned by the ministry at the permanent UN mission in New York City, U.S. The 46-year-old Aliha was arrested over the weekend following an alleged sexual assault in Manhattan and later released without charge due to his diplomatic immunity. In a press statement issued today, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs said it recalled the embattled diplomat pending full investigation. The leadership of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation took the decision to immediately recall the diplomat in question, pending a full investigation from a specialized committee. According to the ministry, diplomat Charles is now back in South Sudan and has been suspended from his duties awaiting the outcome of the investigation. The ministry repeated the government of South Sudan and its position that sexual misconduct in any shape or form is heinous and wholly unacceptable. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs extended government of South Sudan stands with victims of sexual assault everywhere and is committed to continuing to safeguard all those at risk of sexual violence.